It's the Rage here, so I want to do a quick unboxing of this Carplay. This is a car multimedia player, and you know, my Jeep is very old, 2009, does not have CarPlay, so this is the solution that I have to fix that, and it comes in this box. Let's see, there's some cables, connectors, everything you need is in here. Let's dump that off. Alright, so let's start the show here. And here it is. It's also a dash cam, which is nice, and you can adjust it up and down, blah blah blah. Power button on top, all your connectors, SD card, you know, AV in, aux out, the mount. There's a mount over here. There's built-in speakers. It's a nice screen. It's a nice big screen. And, you know, so let's see what else comes with it. We have some stickers, so you can stick in the dash. They send 2 of those, manual. The base, you're gonna stick, you know, the sticker to. Then you have your rear view camera, which would be great for the Jeep because the Jeep does not have rear view camera. And then you have a 64 gigabyte SD card that goes in here as well. And your cigarette lighter USB plug. And aux cable as well. So it comes everything you need. I'm gonna go install this and then I'll show you guys after it's been installed how it looks. Take care, guys.